Hi, I'm George, the project engineer on the Dartmoor Bridge replacement project. This project is all about delivering a new bridge for the community after the original bridge was lost during Cyclone Gabrielle. Construction started in February and we're now well into building a new single lane bridge just downstream of the current alignment. The new bridge is 104 metres long, made up of 4 26 metre spans. It's supported on 3 1200 diameter pier piles and 2 900 diameter abutment piles at each end. One of the big advantages of this layout is that we've reduced the number of spans compared with the old bridge, which had 7. That means there's less chance of debris and slash building up during flood events. Like any project in this sort of environment, there have been a few challenges along the way. Ground conditions and weather have both had an impact, and after rain events the river can come up pretty quickly, which affects how and when we can work. The team's adapted really well and they've done a great job keeping the job moving safely. The team is currently working on the bridge superstructure and is underway with the installation of the precast hollow core beams. In the coming months, the team will be starting the abutment scour protection works and mobilising crews to begin drainage and pavement construction.
Morning, my name's Kaijser. I'm the project manager here at Dartmoor Bridge. This bridge is tracking really well. We're looking to open this bridge prior to Christmas. Just prior to that, we'll be opening the bridge for traffic in the spring, and that will be to enable the remaining bits of the work to be completed and also the removal of the existing Bailey Bridge. There have been some great efficiencies for us working across the wider cyclone recovery program, including alongside nearby projects like Resident Bridge. Being able to share knowledge, coordinate resources and apply lessons across multiple sites has helped us deliver better outcomes for HSC and the community. We really enjoy working with HSC alongside WSP and being part of delivering these cyclone recovery bridges. It's rewarding work, we're proud of what we do, and it's great to get these connections back in place for the local community.